Hello friends, in this lecture we shall discuss cash flow statement, and this we are going to do on the basis of a case study. This is the balance sheet for 2 years available with us. Year 2017, year 2018. To prepare the cash flow statement, we need the balance sheet also and profit and loss account also. What to do with the balance sheet? Before we prepare the cash flow statement, we have to find out the sources and uses from the balance sheet. How do we find it? This is how we find it. On one side we have the sources, on other side we have the uses. Sources means increase in liabilities. Whenever there is increase in liabilities, it will be treated as a source. Whenever there is decrease in liability, it will be treated as a use. Similarly, in case of assets, whenever there is increase in assets, it is use of cash. Whenever there is decline in assets, it is source of cash. This is one basic thing we must bear in mind. So we calculate the sources and uses first on the basis of balance sheet, and then we shall make the adjustment with profit and loss account. So paid up capital, there is no change, so no source, no use. Reserve surpluses, there is increase, it is a source. Long-term liabilities, there is decrease, it is a use. Current liability, there is increase, it is a source. Fixed asset, here we shall take only net block. This is original cost minus depreciation, so we get net block. There is increase, hence it is a use. Miscellaneous asset, there is decrease, hence it is a source. Intangible asset, there is decrease, hence it is a source. Total current asset, there is increase, hence it is a use. Now let us see the profit loss account. In the profit loss account, we have the data relating to retained profits. We have the data relating to dividend payments. We have the data relating to net profit after interest and tax, etc. So this is summary of the profit loss account. Based on these sources and uses and information available in profit loss account, we shall now prepare cash flow statement. This is cash flow statement before us. Here profit loss account is required only for 1 year because this calculation is being made for 2018. Opening cash balance, so that should be available in the balance sheet. Opening cash balance is here. Out of this cash, so total current assets are 340. Out of this, cash is 10, and for 18 it is 360 and cash is 15. So cash opening is 10. We have placed the information here. Then we shall find out the generation of cash. Cash from operation means retained profit. So we have picked up the retained profit. It is cash from operations of the business. So that is 20. Then depreciation. Depreciation is expenditure, but it is non-cash expenditure. Hence, this is also cash generated. So depreciation is available here. This is depreciation 50. So we have taken the depreciation here. Then increase in current liability. This is a source. So we have taken increase in current liabilities here. Then decrease in miscellaneous assets. This is here. Decrease in miscellaneous assets, we have taken 10. Then decrease in intangible assets, so we have taken here, it is 20. Now total of these items that is total cash generation due to these different type of sources. It is 130. Now let us go to the uses side. Increase in fixed assets 90. So here we find from 390 it is 480. Increase in fixed assets is 90. Increase in current assets other than cash. So total increase here is 20 in current assets. Out of that, cash increase is only 5. This means the increase in current asset is 15 in case of non-cash current assets. So we have taken here increase in current assets other than cash. Then decrease in long-term liabilities. It is here decrease in long-term liabilities. This way the total cash used is 125. 10 is the opening cash balance. 130 is the generation. It means total cash available during the year was 140. Out of that 125 has been used, and closing cash balance it is 15. So we can see it is 15 here. Now this cash flow statement helps us to understand what are the sources of cash and how that cash was used. Remember, whenever we have to prepare funds flow statement, profit loss account is not required. But whenever we have to prepare a cash flow statement, profit loss account shall also be required. Well friends, I am sure the contents of this video will benefit you to understand the cash flow statement, the preparation as well as the interpretation part of that. Thank you for watching this video. In case you liked the video, kindly do not forget to subscribe to our channel. Thank you.